Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Love in the afterlife. Full story. One late night, a taxi man picked up a couple in Crossroads. They were going to Outlook Avenue on Windward Road, past Mod House. They jumped in, and they were on their way. For the entire trip, the couple could not keep their hands off each other. The driver just mind him business. After all his work, him all work. As long as him get him pay, he was fine. He finally reached the location where they wanted to be dropped off. He slowed down. Approaching a gate, he heard the man's voice tell him to drive down a little more, so he did.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
When he drove down to the gate, he looked back to collect his fare, and there was nobody there. He was sure nobody left the car. The car door was not open, and there was nobody on the road at that time of night. The driver frightened and pressed gas. The next day, he went back to the taxi stand to work. He was sharing the story with other taxi men, and dem start laugh. Dem tell him say is the Duppy of a poom poom vendor and a client who meet dem demise on their way to that location. They say that the Duppy couple always take taxi to go where they were going that night. It was like they were living in a loop. The taxi men never saw them again.
Check out more Duppy stories in the playlist below.